Wi-Fi drivers.
यहाँ से भी कर सकते हैं।
हाँ, यहाँ से बटन में ऑन देखना पड़ेगा ड्राइवर्स।
I think it's pretty old system or something. Look into your system because SAP GUI and all that is set up. Something is try because you work in home, then it's fine because that's you need in home anyways. Because it's not accepting any Wi-Fi, so something is not right with your computer. Because your SAP GUI is set up, that's not a problem.
Recently updated to next day. There were some driver issues. I want to update.
तो करने तो वही चाहिए है ना इसका मतलब
No, as long as you're connected in house, then it's fine because you need this working in house anyways. So it just is not accepting the Wi-Fi here.
तो ऐसी प्रॉब्लम पता ही नहीं चलेगी it's working at home right
No, you connect to internet and then you connect to VPN. Your VPN is set up.
yes
Show the VPN. देखो जरा सा.
no need connect करो
Okay, let's begin, guys.
VPN is set up.
हाँ?
VPN set up.
हाँ तो बस तो ठीक है. VPN आपको इंटरनेट पे कनेक्ट करो, फिर VPN से कनेक्ट करो, फिर ऐसे कनेक्ट हो जाना चाहिए. Then you're fine. Because आपके वो जो कंप्यूटर का जो वाईफाई के जो है उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. So that's why it's not accepted. Okay, let's begin, guys.
so tomorrow
Huh?
this class
Yes, another class.
Equally another
Another class, not yours.
another
Yeah.
so we'll come tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow, yeah.
okay
घर पे देखना है आपका ये कनेक्ट हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है.
okay thank you very much
Sure. क्या ये सुमित की क्या स्टोरी है? पता
पूछा वो बोला ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड करता बोला
है?
ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड करता बोला
हाँ ऑनलाइन तो है वो, बट वो ऐसे चले जाते हैं. कोई मतलब किसी का कुछ है नहीं, मतलब कोई भी कहीं पे भी चला जाता है. somebody just go there. I'm going to tough when I see these guys. Tomorrow you guys have a little hard time for me. Means I know some people has stepped out because they told me, Nazla told me and all that I understand. वो कुमारी कुछ पता ही नहीं है, where is she? I don't see this NS and Spurti and all that in class. I didn't see the Bahubali. This Sumant is in there. So what these guys are doing at least, I don't understand this. So they will face me. Means if there is any reasons, people go and do, that's understandable. But I don't like this sudden somebody just not there in the class. So I'm pretty pissed with in these 3-4 people that Bahubali is, I've been told that he's sleepy. Is that not I told that people has to attend the class? Half of the people is absconding, they were not in the class. Is this Sumant and all that? Why he has gone to New York? What is the story? He went this morning or he went yesterday?
This morning.
What time?
Morning before 8, he wake wake me up, he told I have some work I'm doing to my uncle's place.
And what is that work's name?
I did not I was in sleep.
कुछ तो बताओ क्या काम क्या है, ऐसा क्या काम होता है अर्जेंटली? नहीं, टेल मी.
कुछ कल परसों बोल रहा था कोई इंडिया से आ रहे कुछ सामान लेना था, कुछ ऐसा पता नहीं वो काम है उसका.
बट बोल सकते हैं ना लोग. चलो काम है, मैं समझ गया. वो लड़की क्या नाम है, वो आई थी कि मेरे पेरेंट्स आने वाले हैं, क्या नाम है उसका? नॉट नजला टोल्ड मी आल्सो दैट दिस Bhargavi, that sir, my parents are coming and all that. Okay, you know where it is going, that's okay. It's understandable. But suddenly there's no information, no idea, that pisses me off. Okay, let's begin, guys. So we continue with our pricing. In the sales order, this is the sales order screen. Oh. So let's begin, guys. So this is our sales order screen. In the sales order screen, we have a various information about pricing. In the pricing, we have a header pricing, we have item pricing, all different types. So if you go in sales order, for example, and if I enter the customer, if I enter the material, so this is my sales order. So a couple of things which are there in the sales order screen from the pricing perspective. The one here is, if you go to here in header, you can go to header conditions. Secondly, if you select this here and then you can click on this, you can go to item conditions. Another thing which is applicable and relevant here is the price date. Pricing date basically means the date on which pricing happens. So price date. So that is all information, some of the important thing which you have here. Item pricing basically means pricing for a specific item. In one sales order you can have multiple line item, and for each line item you can have a specific price. And then here we can have a different button. We talked about that. We can have update, we can analyze. And what is this screen? If you go here, item pricing, this is what you see here. This is the price information for line item 10 and for this material. And these are various conditions which you see here. And there here we have an update button. And this is where we have analysis button. This is analysis button. In analysis button we have something called pricing procedure RVAA01. And then do that. That is what we see here. There is also something called condition value. This is the condition value, active and inactive conditions. So active and inactive condition. So if we come here, so these are the various conditions, condition value. 14,000 days and 15% discount, blah blah blah. There is a 10% freight amount. And then I have certain condition here. Let's say, for example, we have this cash discount, 3%, which is $370.72. Now, if you scroll down, this is a statistical. Statistical basically means this is only information. This is only information. So if you see the 3% discount, it doesn't affect my net. It's just for information. So for example, if you look at here, so it's a 1,400 So it become 1400 gross value. Then there is a discount of 15%. So minus 217.50. So my net become 1232. Then there is a freight of $100. So 12,325 plus $100. So total become 12,425. Now I have this cash discount of 3%, which is $372. That has no impact on it. Why? Because this is statistical. So you can have a statistical or inactive conditions. Select new condition type. So if we come here and see this button, you can insert row, and then you can choose a condition type and you can enter that manually if this condition type is allowed to maintain manually. Okay. That is the active or inactive condition. That is how we select condition type. Then we have a condition analysis button. In the condition analysis button, you can see the various information. So this is condition analysis. If we see here, this is condition analysis. In the condition analysis, we have a pricing procedure. In this pricing procedure, we have all these different condition type, and one of them is PR00. This is PR00. So this is one of them is PR00. This is PR00. In the PR00, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. We have these 4 condition tables. So we have these 4 condition. We saw that many times. Condition analysis. There is also something of repricing and update button. We saw that here. If I want to do the repricing, so I go to update, carry out new pricing. It automatically carry out any new pricing if there is any update in the pricing which has not been reflected. So that is the carry out new pricing. So for example, if I create a sales order, I save it, and after creating sales order, price got changed. So you can go to carry out new pricing, and it will automatically pick the newest, latest price. That is where we have a carry out new pricing. Repricing and the pricing date. So when pricing happens or repricing happens, system look the valid condition record on that condition, on that price date. So valid from, valid to. For every condition record, there is valid from, valid to, valid from, valid to, valid from, valid to, and then system look for valid condition record in that validity period. That is where the repricing and pricing date come into the picture. So whatever the pricing date is in the order, on that date, what is my valid condition record? On that date, whatever is the valid condition record you have, that system picks. There is a price date in the order, and on that date, whatever the valid price I have, system picks. Condition type requirement. Requirements are not fulfilled for condition ZSRP. See that message? Requirements are not fulfilled for the condition type ZSRP. So let us say I come back, right? So I see here that I have all these price and all that. So I exit out of this order. I go to VA01. Oops. Back. And I let us say I put an order type FD. Delivery free of charge. I put my customer, I put my material. If I go to item conditions, see what happened. My price is not even coming. This net value is $200. Is coming from this freight amount which is coming up. But my price is gone. Same material, same customer. My price PR00 is gone. See that? PR00 is not there. Let me try to enter PR00 manually. See the message in the bottom. The requirements are not fulfilled for condition PR00. Requirements are not fulfilled for condition PR00. Same thing. Requirements are not fulfilled for the condition ZSR. Condition types are not fulfilled for the condition PR00. Now, same customer, same material. Only thing which I differ, I create a new order type. Remember, is now is a free of charge order type. Is a free item. So why that message is coming? System is saying, aha, this item is for free. And because it is free, that is why system does not determine price. Because same item you may be selling and same item you might be giving it for free also. So when you are giving this item for free, then system does not pick the price. And why it does not pick the price? Because that item is for free. So that is the business logic. So that's good. Because free item, I shouldn't charge. And even if I try to manually enter, it doesn't accept. So two things. A, it doesn't pick, ignores. And if I manually enter, then it does not pick. Then it does not pick. Okay. Let us understand this, like from where this is coming. So business logic we understand. Now what is the configuration logic? So for that, I go to Sparrow. We go to sales and distribution, basic function, pricing, maintain pricing procedure, and then we are go to RVAA01. That's the one pricing? Yeah. So what is the but the pricing procedure is also coming different. RVCA01. So RVCA. RVCA. And control data. Hold on for a second. Hello? Hey, good afternoon. But I'm wonderful. क्लास में हूँ, आपकी क्लास में, जिसमें आप नहीं हैं. ये class supposed to be till for 2 hours. So that's how it is. You are very welcome. Yeah, welcome. Bye. Okay. So now here, look at my screen, guys. We have a column called requirement. So PR00 and requirements are not fulfilled for this condition type. If I double click on it, it says requirements are not fulfilled for this condition type PR0. Now what is the requirement? Requirement is this column, and this requirement has been linked. You see that here? But the requirement is not associated to KF00. See that here? KF00 is still to get determined. PR00 didn't come. Why? Because in front of KF00, that requirement column is blank. Because you might not be charging. So in front of that condition PR00, your requirement 2. But in front of KF00, requirement column is blank. Because you might be giving piece for free, but you may still be charging it for freight. Freight may not be unchargeable. Freight may still be chargeable. So that is why in KF00 we have requirement column as blank. Requirement column is blank. And because requirement column is blank, therefore in pricing procedure KF00 has been determined, but if you go to on the top, PR00 is not determined. So what is this PR00? What is this routine requirement 2 is means? So this is controlled by this 2. And this is a requirement which says item with pricing. If I go to the source text, see here, pricing is turned on in item category configuration. There is a very small program. What this program is doing, this program is checking whether for that item category which we have in purchase order, in sales order, whether for that item category pricing is turned on or pricing is turned off. If it is on, then pricing is applied. If it is off, then pricing is not applied. Whether it's on or off. So if you go back here, there is item category KLN. In a standard item, item category is 10. For free of charge item category is KLN. So it has nothing to do with order type. It is to do with item category. Because this logic here tells me pricing is turned on in item category configuration or not. If pricing is on, then apply. If pricing is off, then don't apply. That's the simple logic. That's 4 lines of code. If pricing is on, price applies. If pricing is off, price doesn't apply. So now you can go to item category KLN 2. So go to item category KLN. If you go to KLN, you will see that. If I double click here in KLN, the pricing is blank. If I double click in pricing, blank basically means then there is no price. So that's why, because of that program 2, it stops PR00 to be ignored. KF00 has been determined because KF00 is not associated to any requirement. That is how these are called pricing routines and requirements. So a lot of these pricing routines and requirements influence pricing behavior significantly. So that requirement 2, which is associated to condition type, is controlling feature from the configuration perspective. That requirement 2 is a standard SAP requirement, and then you can configure your own requirement as well. You can do that. Okay. Requirements are not fulfilled for conditions GSRP. Before I go there, I want to do a configuration. The main configuration, which we have not done yet. So in the configuration, I want to configure the condition record. So in the configuration, I want to configure all elements. So this is configuration of condition technique. And in the configuration of condition technique, I want to configure all elements. So I want to configure condition table. I want to create access sequence. I want to configure a new condition type. I want to assign condition type to access sequence. Then I want to configure a pricing procedure. I want to assign pricing my condition type to pricing procedure. Configure pricing procedure determination then test it. In the test, we're going to create condition record. We're going to verify in sales order. So these are steps we're going to do. Make a note of these steps. Okay. Okay, so we're going to take a 10-minute break and we talk in 10 minutes. So 10 minutes break.
Can we do that right now, or are you doing something? I think it will take a little bit time, right? It's easy, right? Two or three? I didn't put connector. Okay, that's fine, right? It says unit. Click on go to CRM.
Transactions. Basic settings.
This one.
Yeah, copy control for the different copy control. We have to do first this one, which is for transaction type, and one is for item variable type.
Show the transaction
Yeah.
first.
For this, it's AG. AG, TA telesales. But we are doing telesales. AG, yeah.
Position. Copy.
No, copy. We have to copy and create our own.
Anything?
It's done in insert.
Insert 008.
That's all.
That's it. Then enter.
Yeah.
Does not exit. So maybe that won't. Do something else.
Insert one. Insert one.
Copy as. No.
But only this is the
He did.
it changed for you.
Okay. Did you change anything else? Let's start from the beginning maybe. To click hard. That's for the other one, right?
For the other one.
Yeah, we did
You
that.
did this?
Yeah, I did that one. Yeah. To create our own document type of computation. We will try that one more time.
Control for this much.
Right?
I think you already did this.
No, I didn't do that one. Because I missed the video, so I got stuck. Okay, then we will do one more time. Maybe. Is there any? Can we do like that or?
See the way.
Entry, CRMC prop type check entry.
This we can't use.
Yeah. I don't know. Quotation mark.
This is Dilip Sadh. Yes,
change this or
Can we try one more time? I just put C008. It's a coincidence. You put 009. Just try it. Yeah. This is the same step, right? AG, TA, is there any other AG? No? The
This
same.
is the other AG, but this is for internet sales. We create quotation and
We
telesales.
have one AG quotation ERP here.
No,
right?
this is not.
Okay. Then copy as, just say copy as. I think this is the same quotation ERP?
For me,
It's the same, right? You did the same thing?
no, quotation.
Why?
Quotation ERP Tamil. But I think you have to define the quotation type also.
Before
did that
that. Yeah,
configuration?
I did that. Oh, we need to define this in
Our
our
own config,
Okay,
yeah.
I have it. Okay, I'll take it. Okay, that's the thing. So go back,
Cancel.
cancel. Okay. The quotation, I have to go to which one? Transaction type, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, go back. Over transaction type. Not this one. I have this one position. Not from here. We took it from a small thing right here, right? From now you can take that one. Sales order.
You remember your own quotation.
Now I understand what to do. Go to
After
our own.
your own
Yeah,
quotation,
yeah.
then we can.
Forgot that one. I forgot from where we can take it. This one. Port. Insertion type.
This is AG, yeah, that's
Z790, yeah. This one, right? Z790. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we have to select this one and that's it. How can you select this one over there?
this one we can't select.
But how you got caught coming like
Yeah.
that? How
After
you,
copying, I got it.
oh, you copied that one to your doc type. Then I will know, right?
After creating, I copied.
Copied to your doc type.
But in here, it's not copying.
So that's the first step I have to do, right?
Yeah,
Copy.
first you have
You
to
have
copy.
the steps with you? Then I can write it down. It's in that video, right? Go to the, I got the first step now. Go to the copy control. transaction type. Or do we need to do the item category first?
First is doctor, then you have to do item category.
Okay.
We'll check for item category. It's
AGM.
and there's some problem. This one is clear education.
Yeah. The other one is not. Yeah. So first we have to do the item category, then and you can change this one, or we have to use the same. We have to use the same brochure.
This is just for creating a copy control unit. Because when you create your quotation, code dot minimum, it will create. But you want to create a column with this quotation. If you did not configure this, then it will not go to column.
Let's begin, guys.
Thank you.
So we're going to do the configuration of condition technique. These all elements which we're going to configure, that configuration apply to many areas. So this condition technical configuration apply configuration everywhere where we have been using the configuration of the pricing. So same applies everywhere. So let's go to the configuration of condition technique. So first we're going to configure a condition table. So we go to condition table. Condition table is part of sales and distribution, basic function, pricing, pricing control, and condition table. And then we create condition table. In condition table, if I try to type, let's say 001, and see what happens. See the message in the bottom. Enter a table between 501 and 999. Make a note of that. That basically means when we are creating a configuration of a condition table, the name of the table should be somewhere in between 101 and 501 and 999. So name, and it is also doesn't start with the letter Z and Y. This also does not start with the letter Z or Y. It does not start with the letter Z or Y. So condition table name has to be in between 501 and 999. So I'm creating a table 544. So table ID is 544. And for 544, if I scroll down, I want to choose certain organizing elements. I want to choose sales organization. I want to choose, let us say, distribution channel. I want to choose, say, division. I want to choose say sales document type, and I want to choose say material. This key combination and then we generate. Local object, so table A544 has been saved. So we created a table. Step number 1. So we learn how to create a configure a condition table. If this condition table we are creating for any purpose, whatever it is, work exactly same way. Now I want to create an access sequence. What happened? We want to create an access sequence. So we go to access sequence. Make a note of the menu path. This is the menu path for access sequence. So it is part of sales and distribution, basics function, pricing, price control, and define access sequence. Define access sequence. So I go to access sequence. Maintain access sequence. I go to new entry. I go to accesses. Why are you not looking at here? What are you doing there? So when I'm doing such an important configuration, what are you busy at? You go to new entries. We go to 544. We select this, we go to fields, and we save it. So we create access sequence, and we give a name Z544. Back, 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 back. After that, we define a condition type. And here I have a maintain condition type. I choose my reference condition type, which is PR00. We select PR00. We copy G544. We save it, and then this is our condition type, which is copy of PR00, and then we define condition type to access sequence. So if I go to condition type and assign my access sequence here, which is also Z44. So we configure condition table, access sequence, condition type, and link condition type to access sequence. Save it. Now, next step for us is to configure a pricing procedure. So for that, we go to pricing procedure. Maintain pricing procedure. In that, we have pricing procedure RVAA001. We copy. Copy all. This is the pricing procedure, which is a copy of a standard pricing procedure. Now I want to assign my condition type Z544 to my pricing procedure. So I go here, control data, and have a condition type here 00, and I put Z544 and we save it. G544. So we assign our condition type here. Now the last step which you want to do is configuring pricing procedure determination. Configuring pricing procedure determination. So for that, I go to define pricing procedure determination. I take my sales organization 1000, 10, 0, 0, and when I come here, I insert my pricing procedure. I take my condition this out. Oh, it should be here. Sorry, I put the wrong one. We save it. So this is the pricing procedure determination. We set it up. Now let's test it. We create a condition record, transaction code week 11. So I go to week 11. Now I type my condition type Z544 and I hit enter. So here I get to see my combination now. I see sales organization, I see distribution channel, I see division, I see sales document type, and I also see material. So I put sales document type, say OR. I put my material. So 200, and let's say amount is 125, and we save it. So condition record save. Now I go to sales order VA01. I put material, I put quantity, if I go here, system determine, condition type Z544, if I go to analysis button, so system has determined our pricing procedure, which is Z00544. It has determined our condition type Z544. It has determined our access sequence and our condition type. So that was the whole configuration of condition technique A to Z. And this configuration apply to all areas of condition technique. Talking about promotional pricing agreement. Promotional pricing agreement. So make a note of bullet point number 2 and bullet point number 3.
I have one question.
Yep.
We did the condition type. We configure our own condition type, right?
Yes.
From PR00.
Yes.
So if we need to change it again, we have to start it from the PR00 again, right? Or we can copy it from our new one now. Cannot do that.
No, you have to change your which one you configured, right?
So we have to copy it from the starting, PR00.
Copy why? For what? What do you want to change? What do you want to do? I'm sorry, I'm not getting it.
We did that C544. the
Z544 is the condition type, yes.
And we copied it from PR00.
I created a Z544 by copying PR00, yes.
Yeah, so next time when we need to change that C544 to another one,
Change to another one means configure new one.
a new one, the condition type. So we need to copy from the PR00 itself.
You can copy either one.
Okay. From C44 to also.
Whatever reference. Reference is just whatever you want to copy from.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. Okay, so we have something called promotions and we have something called deals. So promotion is a high level marketing plan. So for example, we are doing a promotion for Christmas, we are doing a promotion for President Day, we are doing a promotion for Mother's Day. So that is a promotion. Now in that promotion of Christmas, we might have a different deals. So in the Christmas, on these products we are giving 5% off. These products we are giving 10% off. These products we are giving 2% off. For these customers we are giving 10% off for all product they buy. Those are different deals. So there is a promotions and then we have deals. In one promotion you can have a multiple deals associated in it. Those deals could be by product, by customer group, by product group. I am giving all deals a 10% off in all electronics item. So you can have various promotions and we can have a various sales deals. Then we have a promotional pricing agreement. In the promotional pricing agreement, we have a promotion. This is the name description of the promotion: Father's Day promotion, blah blah blah, from this date to this date. This is the sales area. Okay, so we're setting up the promotion. We're gonna set it up. We're gonna create our exercise as well. In the promotion, we can have a various sales deals. So that basically means in this sales deal, for this customer I'm giving 5% off, for this customer I'm giving 5% off, for this customer I'm giving 5% off. In this period to this period is for 1 month, I'm giving 5% off to this customer for irrespective of what they buy. So when this customer gonna place order between period to this period, he gonna get 5% off. That is the sales deal. Okay. And that sales deal is linked to a promotion. Okay. And this is the promotion. So this promotion is linked to this deal, and this deal we have all this information. So promotion, sales deal, and deal have all this information associated to it. In one promotion you can have a multiple deals. So in one promotion you can have a multiple sales deals. So you have a sales of 1,000, distribution channel 10, division 0, this customer 5% off, and we can have a division. So we can have promotions, sales deals. Let us do this exercise. Let us do this exercise, understand. So what we're going to do, we're going to create promotion. We're going to create sales deal, and then we're going to verify my sales deal in sales order. VA0. That is our exercise. So create promotions, sales deal, so this is promotion, this is menu path, transaction code VV31, please make a note of it. Okay. So I go to BB 31. So I put my promotion type 0030. Now let us say I'm creating a promotion called President Day promotion. President Day promotion. Okay. So promotion. And then we save it. Promotion 260. Create. Now I go to sales deal. Transaction code VB21. Make a note of the menu path. Okay. BB21. From the drop down, we choose sales deal type 0020. The reference option, copy. Then I go to conditions. And then here we have a different conditions. I choose anything. So let's say I choose so what I'm saying is if this organization in this distribution channel for this customer and for this material I'm giving 10% off from 1st April to 30th April. And then we save it. See the message in the bottom. Says deal 261 has been created. Now I go to sales order VA01. I choose the same customer, same material. And if I double click, go to conditions, see here. You guys see that? That K00 didn't come. We maintain K00, right? It's no K00 here. Because your pricing date is May 12. And that promotion is between April 1st to April 30th. So if I change the date, because then that record is not valid. Now see, promotion comes up. Because that is the influence of the price date we were talking before. And this is the 10% of commission. Okay. That is what I want to show in this. Free good is we already talked about. We did exercise on free good and all that. So that was the last exercise for us. So we finished the class today. And we are done. We are done for class. And we are done for we are done for course. So that was the last topic, and so good. Thanks guys. Talk to you soon and take care. Thank you very much.